Samsung has exploded higher plus 5.84% to $317,000, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Saturday, May 30th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Investors are selectively buying in some sectors while reducing exposure in others. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.22% at $7,580.06. Investor sentiment is being shaped by its bear market rally, the sell-off to resume seeking alpha. NASDAQ 100 ticked up plus 0.36% to $30,333. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. Dow Jones edged higher plus 0.72% to $51,032. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. DAX is trading lower by minus 0.29% at $25,105. Traders are reacting to news that severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider. FTSE 100 is broadly flat at $10,409, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung made a dramatic move today, surged plus 5.84% to $317,000. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Microsoft made a dramatic move today, surged plus 5.45% to $450.24. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Microsoft Cloud and RE strength fuels third quarter results, Microsoft source. BHP is up plus 2.91%, trading at $62.31. Equity markets are responding to reports that iron ore price up despite China BHP dispute resolution, mining.com. Alphabet dropped sharply minus 2.51% to $380.34. Equity markets are responding to reports that this RE stock has everything I look for in a long-term winner. Here's my case. The motley fool. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why Nvidia's big earnings report couldn't revive the stock market rally after all. Business Insider. Turning to commodities. Brent crude dropped sharply to $91.70 per barrel, down 2.14% on the session. This comes as NASDAQ index, tech stocks surge as Dell fuels record highs forecast, FTSE Empire, adding pressure to energy markets. WTI crude dipped to $87.76 per barrel, down 1.28% on the session. This comes as NASDAQ index, tech stocks surge as Dell fuels record highs forecast, FTSE Empire, adding pressure to energy markets. Natural gas slipped to $3.27, down 0.37% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that severely oversold. Wall Street says a relief rally is coming for struggling stocks as the Iran war enters its second month. Business Insider. Gold climbed to $4,569.90 per troy ounce, up 1.57% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold safe haven appeal weakens, StoneX. Let us give you our near-term view on Samsung. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Samsung sits around $336,020. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.17, gaining 0.35% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.35, gaining 0.3% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 159.27, gaining 0% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that escalating tensions in the Middle East have boosted the US dollar's safe haven appeal, while hawkish Federal Reserve expectations have kept gold hovering around the $4,500 mark. Moo. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button, it genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments, are you bullish or bearish from here? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.